Look at you. What's going on, my peeps? It's your boy Versatile back with another video. And you see my guest star appearance is none other than what we used to call a Suge on one channel. This is Candace. Say hello to the beautiful wife. We are here today customizing our controllers. I'm customizing my red and white controller from the PlayStation Limited Edition PlayStation 4 Pro. Adding the blue as I did to my PlayStation 4 Pro, as you saw before in my previous video. I'm customizing this one, putting blue on it. If you guys, say goodbye to all that pure red that y'all see. Say goodbye to it, you know what I'm saying? Say goodbye to the pure red. And then she is taking that doggone grip off of this sad controller. We're gonna find new grips for it too. She wanted to theme out, the regular in a very good condition, the one that she don't even really use like that anyway controller. This one. She wanted to do that one. I don't know why. I'm like, no, that one's the classic. You gotta leave that one alone. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So you don't use it like that. So we got 3 packages here, and I don't know which one has which one in it, but one has my skin, my edge skin for my central phone. Right. Cause I was like, what's the third? And then one for her controller and one for mine. So we both unboxing these packages to see where the skins are. So go ahead and grab a package. Okay. We're about to get into it right now. That was very easy. Yeah, no need for no unboxing knife. No need for no unboxing knife. You know what I'm saying? Fuck it. Shout out to Floss. Where Flossy at? I love getting these
mix and match
microfiber cloths. Hey, wow, I just happened to grab the one with the blue on it.
I grabbed the edge,
I'm a beast.
Mix and match edge. I don't know what that is.
Oh, that's mine.
Oh, that's yours.
Yeah, so I grabbed mine with the actual blue.
I thought you got
it's no carbon on the blue, so it's just a regular blue.
I thought you got marble.
No, I didn't. Not for the side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that was for the back.
Yeah. So, which I didn't, of course, order yet. So there's my skin for that. We've got microfiber cloths. We love these things. They work. She has her own now. Don't lose it.
No, you're the one that lost the others.
No. I found it. So, all right. Don't need that right now, though. And then, of course, go ahead and... I guess you can.
Oh.
Yeah, go ahead and over that
this one?
Yep.
Okay. Let's see. Ooh.
Okay. Oh, that's a bright thing, too.
I know.
Hold up. So they played me.
Ooh,
so she got her carbon blue. I ordered carbon blue for mine. I ordered carbon blue, and I get...
Let me see.
Now, I don't mind the blue. It's cool. It's
just like a smooth blue? It's like a...
Yeah, it's like a matte blue, which is kind of cool because it's still kind of offset. And it won't match the carbon blue on my PlayStation, but it still matches like another texture of blue that's on the Spider-Man suit anyway. So now it's just a matter of where we want to put these skins, where we want to put them. Yeah. And
I don't even know. Oh, we need to clean it first, right? Yeah.
Clean what? I mean, ain't really much to clean off the controller. I mean,
yours, mine is dirty.
Oh yeah, no, yours needs help. So, that doggone grip. So, I mean, you can wipe down the controller if you need to. Mine's currently on right now because, as you saw in the living room in my previous video, yes, shoot 2 videos in one day. Hard work. So, alright, so my controller's wiped down. So now it's just a matter of what I want to use, what I want to apply to it. So, of course, I got that touchpad.
Really? I can turn it on the freaking PlayStation.
Look at you. So, this touchpad piece is only going to stay on the touchpad if it works. Like, if the touchpad stops working, then it won't be there no more.
Oh. This is pretty.
Okay, with the pink. Little pinky do.
Pink and black is one of my favorite combinations too.
Okay. Alright, so definitely can put, right there on top of on the right it left analog stick, but I think they're going to easily come off. I think that's where heat comes in.
Yeah. Probably.
And hopefully, I wish that I should have turned the game on or unlinked my controller, but I don't. These are a fail. So don't worry about these little sticky pieces for the right analog stick. It's a fail. It's definitely gonna be a fail for you. This is a grip. I thought it would be. Sorry about that. We had an interruption. Back at it. Okay. Why am I down? Why am I down? All right. So I think I'm gonna do the D-pad. She doing all the difficult stuff on hers.
Cause I just wanted.
I'm not putting the ugly grips on. The other little pieces, I don't know where those are going. That's really all I kind of wanted to do for the controller. As y'all can see, I just do the blue across the top.
Yeah, this is garbage.
You guys see, I just do the blue across the top. That's clean. I would have loved it if they could actually stick in there, but they don't. I still don't know what she did.
Look at this garbage. So yeah, don't get these. Look, it's not even staying down.
Yeah, well, you also didn't probably put it on that well. It'll take some time and probably mold it all right, and then the heat gun, of course, helps solidify it down. But seeing as your hands are always on there anyway, I don't know if that would have necessarily worked like that.
This?
Yeah, because you're gripping it all the time.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I don't just stick to what you have on there.
Oh man.
A couple other pieces, I don't know where they necessarily go.
Where to put on the other controller?
Y'all saw that look? No. So you know what I'm saying? It's a heat gun. The rest of this I don't even need because I don't care for it. You like that?
Yeah, I like
What's
it.
better? So go ahead, show the. Okay.
I like that. I
All
think
right. All pink. All right.
I underdid. Wait, where's the?
Okay. All right. So.
Where's the
Right now. It's beautiful.
Okay. Oh. Like even my blow dryer is pink and black.
Okay. Ooh.
Wait, you said you can already feel what is coming out?
So, this is what my phone looks like now, with this side, with the black piece around the side, carbon black. You can say I have a thing for carbon. Yes. Boom. So, that's that. I mean, it does add a little bit more grip to the hands. You know what I'm saying? Where's flaws at? Alright, so we got the thing here. Is it plugged in?
Yeah. Wait, hold on.
Yes, it is.
Wait. Yeah.
It is?
Wait, yeah, don't press that because that makes it cold.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna push it. Shorty gonna go on Amazon, buy some stick grips for her controllers. That way she can regain some good, you know, finger composure. And all right, but as you saw, took the heat to it.
So that's all the heat, you know. That's all. It's
Yeah,
not a certain time.
No, not really. I mean, just enough to keep the press down and whatnot. I mean, you can take the heat longer and more heat, but you know, just for the sake of the video, you guys pretty much see how it's done. You know, make sure it's secure in place. The places we have everything is not really gonna come up off because there's nothing that to uplift the stickiness. You know, they're nice and laid flat, but. Wow, you know, we had to take that thumbnail real quick. You know? Alright, cool. Well, oh, by the way, still maintains that white spider, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
So, as it stands, that's the controllers, and then, you know, of course, I'm gonna go put this by the controller, by the PlayStation 4 Pro so you guys can see it. See what it looks like. She's about to put her grips back on.
Let's see how it looks with the pink and pink, black, and blue.
Oh, okay. Looks interesting.
Yeah, it looks weird.
All right. Well, your boy Versatile is signing out, and until the next video. Wait for it. Ah.